In this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a GIF from a video on iPhone. So if you didn't know how to do that yet, then make sure to watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. So first of all, open this website right here, easygif.com, as you can see. Then click on video to GIF right here. And where it says choose file, just click on it. And then click on photo library and select a video you want. I'm just gonna select this one real quick. Click on done, click choose, and then click on upload video right here. This will upload the video, as you can see. This one's 8 seconds, but that's a bit too long for me. So I'm just gonna click on this and choose, for example, 3 seconds. And then click on convert to GIF at the bottom right here. This will convert it. As you can see, it's right here. And it repeats itself because, yeah, it's a GIF. And then what you can do is just click on save and then download. This will download it right here, and you can save it to your camera roll by clicking on the top right corner and then click on save image right here. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.